Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to talk about closing methods for your bags. My closing method of choice is a zip tie. Right? Everybody's familiar with these zip ties. But the nice thing about this, let's see if we can get it to focus. Doesn't really want to focus. But if you look, you can see on the bottom of the head of this thing, there's a little release tab. I know it's not focusing, I don't know why, but it's giving me some issues. It's a release tab. These are reusable. You just pinch that little tab and you can undo the zip tie. I think these are very cool and extremely useful for those of us that run bags, or for anybody who uses zip ties for anything else. It's I mean, they last forever. I've had some that for instance, here's one. You can tell from its bending that it's been used. This one's probably been used about 20 times, and doesn't look like it's going to give up anytime soon. So instead of, if you use zip ties, instead of using dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens of them, yeah, I bought a whole box of 100 of them, and I've never moved on from the first 16 that I use. They work great. All right, that's it for today. You guys stay safe out there and happy cultivating.